Today I'm going to be making slime. I'm going to be making white slime.
You can't have that one. You
I'm showing y'all all my other slime. So
you can't have that one. You got to play so you can get that
this
one.
was clear slime. I just put food color in it and sparkles. I'm going to be using borax, clear glue, white glue, water,
Lotion.
soap, and lotion. Oh, and popsicle sticks to mix. And I'm going to be putting it in this pencil box. I made another video, but I lost the footage because my phone had went dead. It was going dead, and then my phone was my battery was too low for me to make a video, and it was all because my sister. Not really all because her, but kind of mostly because I asked her to give me something, so I'm gonna have to leave and stuff, and I can keep on getting this done, and so that my battery don't go there, and she was
taking too long.
Yeah, taking too long and doing other stuff, and then forgetting what I was telling her to do, and then it had went dead.
Well, guys, it's kind of not my fault.
And today, guys, I'm not going to be doing an introduction because I don't have time. My phone is still going dead. So I'm going to be making white glue first. And this one's good.
So, guys, on the footage that she lost, she had made this slime.
Yeah, but that's all slime. Okay, so let me just put some clear.
I'm going to go get some more lotion and put that one back because the lotion is running out.
So we're using all
Give me the lotion. Give me the lotion.
Wait, let me use some of this lotion because this is my favorite lotion. So let me get me some of this lotion in here. Oh, this kind of glue we're using. We got it from 5 and below, and the sparkles and other stuff. Oh, it is running out. I got this. Oh yeah, go get some more. Get the baby lotion. Baby lotion. I'm gonna go ahead and put some water in here while I'm waiting for that. So first I put the water in there. You can use any kind of water, sink water, whatever. I'm just picking to use this water. It's from Walmart. So I'm just mixing it up into the glue to make it the right kind of consistency. So if you wonder what's in this, I've got lotion in here, glue in here, and water. But I'm going to put some more because I don't got that much in there. So. Oh, and white slime makes this one.
Oh yeah, and guys, we're gonna be using some of this because this makes it really smooth and stuff, like shaving cream. This is like our shaving cream for our slime.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use some of that first.
And I'm gonna use some of it. This is the conditioner. You should get the shaving this is the conditioner. And you should got the shampoo. The shampoo is like shampoo too.
It's like slime more. It's like more slime. Like you could make slime out of that.
This is we got this from 5 and Below. This is Crazy Slime Creations. Creations washable white glue. And this one is Crazy Slime Creations washable clear glue. It's ideas for slime making. And that's what that one says. It says no, yeah.
So yeah, guys, we was gonna get
you want to make sure you mix
but
this in really good. We would have got they got slime kits at 5 Below. They got Galaxy slime kits. Then we had one more Galaxy slime kit, but I didn't get it.
They had the unicorn poop, but we didn't get that.
Sparkles too. Where's my sparkles? Did I put my sparkles there?
Sparkles on the table.
Oh, let me get my sparkles. These are your sparkles on the table. Where's mine? You put sparkles over here?
No.
I'll look. Oh, here it is. Yeah, you put my sparkles. Okay. These are my sparkles. They are also at 5 We didn't go to Walmart. We was going to go, but we chose to win. Okay, Okay.
Cause that was
and we got some Bluetooth fish spinner, which I also like some. So yeah, let me and I'm gonna start adding the borax into it. I have my own spray bottle, little white spray bottle, but it's not. It's choosing not to work. It has the borax got clogged.
Oh yeah, guys, and this is my other slime. It was clear, but then I made it gold. But yeah. You guys.
Okay. So I'm just spraying some borax.
But this is a little sticky, so I'm spraying some borax.
Oh, this is yours. I told you the top clogged up. Hey.
Oh, well, just pour it in there.
No, because I pulled too much. See, it's starting to come together. And you said I can use it since I let you use the water. So. Okay. So let me hurry before my phone starts to.
Oh my gosh, sister. You gonna mess up my charger, you bend it like that. That's why I say use your charger.
Okay, I said it.
So if it messes up, then you have to let me have your charger.
Okay. It's still charging my phone.
Okay, let me use that one. Because I'm running out of board.
I'm gonna take my phone out to charger. Yeah, because my phone on the. Okay. Yeah, I took my phone out the charger, so. Okay. So that's her charger is still work and stuff.
Okay, I need to shake it.
Mine's on 9%. I need it. She put my boards and stuff in there. Thank you.
This is mine.
Yeah.
For me, so I'm gonna just start mixing with my hands now.
Sorry that you can't see the sister. She's not making a video on her phone today. So yeah, guys, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. Go to my page and check out my other videos.
Yeah, guys. So we're gonna give you. So that's your challenge. We're gonna start doing challenge
and shout outs.
So the first challenge is the first person to like and subscribe to this video in 7 and
we will go to your
10
channel
seconds.
and we will subscribe to your channel and give it like 10 of your videos. The second person,
so you get
the second person is going to that like to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to go to their page. I'm going to like I'm going to subscribe to the channel and then the last person that goes the third person that goes that like subscribe to my channel will I will go to their page and I will like 5 of their videos. Yeah, 5. Let's say 5.
So to give me the borax. Well,
oh, I didn't know what's in there right there. Let me get some of this. Sorry that you can't like really see it, but I'll show it. So yeah, it started to form. Yeah. Why do I keep on saying my popsicle stick is the jigger? And guys, when you're doing this and you're spraying the borax or pouring it, whatever, you don't want to pour it in one spot, because if you do and you're using this kind of glue, it will just that one spot, it will form. Everything else will form too. Probably, it depends. Like how much of stuff, how much you pour, how much water you pour, but that one spot will be hard too. So, no. Okay. So you want to spray or pour the borax, water, contact solution, whatever you're using, but in more than one spot. I might make another video, so don't worry if it. And the reason why if you're using this kind of glue, if you're going to be using this kind of glue I'm using,
Be careful with it.
You want to put water and stuff in, or it will get hard. I will show you how those other ones turned out.
Cause this one is like hard to stretch. It doesn't really stretch.
Warning. It's just sticky. Let me put my borax spray with my.
So I'm gonna mix my hard one in that, see if it makes it better.
We're off into all of paper towels. I'm gonna stick my phone. Yeah, there we go, so you guys can see this. Oh. Yay, it's starting to come together.
So now she's gonna just start kneading it.
Yeah, I'm gonna start kneading it together. And then the extra glue that's left in there, I'm gonna spray some borax on it and put it together. Oh guys, and if you also forgot why I'm not doing the introduction, I don't know if I said it at the beginning, I forgot.
Yeah,
but if I didn't, I'm not doing it today because I don't got that much time. My phone is not on the charger or anything, so yeah.
That feels hers.
Mine. I'm not going to be putting any, what's the name on it? Food coloring on it. I'm just going to use it white.
We don't have any more food coloring.
And even we got markers though. I'm not going to be using markers or anything. I want to leave it this color. So this one. Show you this one. You guys, this one. This one's a little more stiff. And for the I don't have to pull any borax when I just scrape it off because it's already like all you have to do is mix it and form it together.
It's so, cause this one is now, it's so fluffy, soft.
Yeah. So that's another way to make fluffy slime without using shaving cream. And we couldn't find any shaving cream at 5 and below, so
yeah,
that's why we didn't get any.
Guys, I'm gonna have to fix this because it's not really stretchy.
That's the one you just made?
No, this one is the one I just made. There's a difference. This one looks like more chunky and hard.
Yeah,
this one looks soft.
Yeah, this is the one I had made before it. I'm gonna have to fix it. Oh, sorry.
Oh, this is my clear.
I don't know if you saw that, but it had flew over there across the room to where.
Since you're not using, I put my fidget spinner on the charger.
Hold on, wait a minute. Let me get some of this glue off.
And you don't want to use too much borax because borax can give you burn. Don't forget.
Yeah, might want to use a parent. If you got this, you tried this before stuff, you don't have to use a parent. I know some of you guys, like, even if I say this, you won't. But just saying for some of you guys that will do it or something.
And you might, or either you might want to do this with gloves on, so you won't get burns on your hands.
Or you want to try to knead it in with the fork or something. But we know how to use this. We did this before. This is like
we usually use Tide, but now we don't use Tide. Oh shoot! And the good thing about this is, guys, this was just on my carpet and it didn't stick. Yeah.
So I'm putting some lotion in this one because mine's just like it's chunky. It don't look like soft like my sister's, but it's soft though. Oh guys, my sister's is way better.
Yeah, mine is softer than hers. Probably because like she kept like until all her glue came out, she kept putting borax on it. So that's probably why. But me, I just like if it came into slime, then I would just take it out and sit it down. But she just like left it all in it so it could all come to one big ball. I didn't. So yeah, if you want to master.
What is this missing cup? I'm putting some lotion.
No, put some of this in there. That